Although I prefer CTrader for my trade entries, I love using the MetaTrader platform for my chart setups, and it's vital for the Forex early warning trading system. As you'll see here, creating your watch list is relatively straightforward, and we use the same order as the analysis spreadsheet. So now let's move on to the chart setup and the trend indicators that we use. So as you'll see, I've got an example of a MetaTrader chart open, and I've got my currency pairs all now completed here on the market watch list. Now, this isn't the chart that we want to be using, so let's go ahead and change that to bar chart. So right click and select that. And now we're going to show you how to add your EMAs at exponential moving averages. We will push another video which explains why we use these indicators, but for now, this is a how-to guide. So if you click onto Insert, Indicators, Trend, and then Moving Average, you'll then be met with the following box. Now we want to ensure the period is 12, that method is exponential, and we choose the colour red for 12. Opt for a line thickness of your choosing and simply click OK. And now you'll see the red line there denotes the EMA for the 12 period. So we now want to add on our second EMA. So we only use the two, 12 and 5. So again, let's go ahead to Insert, Indicators, Trend, and Moving Average. And now we want to add 5 for the second EMA. Again, make sure you're on exponential and select the colour green. And again, use a line thickness of your choosing and simply click OK. So that's both of our EMAs now added. Now, of course, as you know, we have 28 pairs, and at a minimum, that's 28 charts. So we want to ensure that this new template that we've created is applied universally across all of our charts. So we don't want this original looking chart cropping up every time we're looking to complete our analysis. So to use our new template, let's close that MetaTrader chart first of all, and we right click. Okay, we're on the new chart now. We select templates, and then from there we move on to save template. Now within this box itself, we want to select default. So let's go ahead and enter that as our new template name. And this isn't just the name, but it's also now an instruction. So for all future charts, they'll open using this default template that we've created. So let's go ahead and check that that's applied across all of our charts. So if I go back to the pound dollar, brilliant. We can see that that new template has now been applied. And if I click across some different time frames, again, we see the template coming out. Excellent. So that's how to add the market watch list and also the EMAs, and this will be vital for your future chart setups. And when you begin to look at all 7 pairs simultaneously against individual currency groups.